Hi guys, Picky Plumber, hope you're all well. Just thought I'd do a little quick video on the new Wago straight through connectors. I'm a big fan of the Wago stuff as a gas engineer. It's not that I'm lazy and don't want to use a screwdriver, I just think the quick release idea of them when you're doing a lot of wiring like you're in your wire planners, it is fantastic. I've already linked a little piece of wire there together. We all know how easy they are. Make sure you get them the right way around. That's it, solid. Nice little box for it to go in. Obviously you're going to fasten that to wherever you want to. That's it, easy as that.